Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Sony with your PC. You have to start by click at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, just press on it or click Enter. Right here at the top, you need to click at the Add Device at the right top. Then select Bluetooth, and after that you can open the charging case. Remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch controls. So put your earbuds to your ears and then press and hold at these touch controls until you will hear a prompt Bluetooth pairing. Now I'm pressing hold on it. Here we go, and now I should see it at the device list. Here it is. Now click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!